I don't have this board in my hands yet, and I'm telling you this up front because you know that on my channel, I'm not going to sell you hype, but there's enough official information floating around the internet to do a very serious analysis of whether the Gigabyte X870E Aorus Infinity Next justifies being the new top of the line. Let's get started. This board was presented at Computex 2026 in Taipei, where Gigabyte showed its vision for the coming years, celebrating 40 years of the company. Along with this board, they also presented the X870 Aorus Infinity, but the one we're focusing on today is the Infinity Next. It's the absolute top of the line, designed for the most demanding loads and cooling and power delivery. And of course, we're going to start with what's officially confirmed. First, the power system. We're talking about 64 phases with a total capacity of up to 5,120 amps. It's a beast. That number directly takes this board out of the high-end conversation to put it directly into the no limits one. Second, the cooling, which is probably the most striking thing about this board. Gigabyte used thermal materials inspired, and listen closely, by aerospace apps with several parts manufactured with 3D metal printing, including a gyroid structure. I think that's how it's pronounced for the M.2 heatsink, an organic and complex shade. That would be impossible to manufacture with traditional methods, and that, according to the brand, increases the cooling surface by 44%. To that, they add a vapor chamber, also 3D, printed, and a metal backplate with a honeycomb structure. And third, X3D Turbo Mode 2.0. Gigabyte's own technology for overclocking, assisted by artificial intelligence. The thing is, the board integrates a dedicated chip that monitors in real time the system status and the type of workload it's running at that moment, such as gaming, content creation, or intensive tasks. And that information is combined with a dynamic overclocking engine trained with large volumes of data. And this serves to automatically adjust performance based on what you're doing at that moment. In theory, it's designed to get the most out of Ryzen 99950X3D2. And this is where I'm going to be honest. Much of these improvements, the 64 phases, the gyroid heatsink, and the vapor chamber, only make real sense if you're going to squeeze the processor to the max to 100% with very aggressive overclocking or sustained workloads. If your use is normal gaming, editing, even with the 9950 X3D2, you probably won't notice the difference compared to a mid to high-end board. So who is this board for? It's for the one who's going to do serious overclocking, for the one who's going to demanding productivity loads throughout the entire day, or for the one who simply wants to have the highest ceiling possible, regardless of the price. For the rest, a full 90% of gamers and regular everyday mortals, even the most demanding ones out there, there are cheaper X870 options, like the Aorus Infinity itself, without the Next, which will perform practically the same in gaming. And well, this is what we know so far. Based on official Gigabyte information, what's still to confirm is the actual price, which I'm telling you won't be cheap at all, and the availability in the different regions. If at some point I get this board in my hands, you'll be the first to know, to do real and demanding tests, as we always do on this channel. So friends, that's all the information for this video. You know, if you liked it, if it helped, please like and subscribe to the channel and share it with everyone so we can reach more people. Without further ado, thank you so much for being there and see you in the next video. Bye!